All right, so okay, I want to create something like a window on this surface. So you just click your line to L on the shortcut key. So you just click, then you type the size of the window you want. Let's say 500. Click enter to give you 500. That's it. Then by 1 2. So the same way it will give me five. It will give me what I want. So times the 500. So you can see how this one works. So you get. So if you are doing something like that, you can't use rectangle to achieve. You can just use the line to do it. It's straightforward. Right. So all these ones are just the basis, because most of your work will be needing this rectangle to and this line to understand. Then there's another one, circle. If you're doing anything circular or curvy, you can just use. Okay, for rotate, the shortcut is O. The shortcut is O. So you just click O. You see Obits. It's called Obit 2. This two here. So you just click O to just it's not there. So then circle. The shortcut for circle is C. So you can see. So just add there. Then what again? What again? Then push pull. This particular one that I used to create this boss now. Because majorly in SketchUp, um, most of the things you are doing is just these two, this push pull two, and the shortcut is P. Is P. So you need it in everything, like basically everything you do in here, you really need it. You understand? So let's say I just want to create a hole. Maybe I want to extrude something on the surface. I just use that push pull and create it. Push it in. I believe you know this now because it's showing something that I created. So yeah, that's that's the work. Eventually, just want to create open on this. You just click on this and delete. You just open it straight. You understand? Then another one very important is is this is called offsets. You know in Revit now, you know offset too. So here too is offsets and the shortcut is F. You know the shortcut is F. Very simple. So like that. Probably want to offset from from the edge. You want to offset like 300. Just once you place it there, you click 300 and it will go and hit enter to just create and to just offset. You understand? To offset that. You can offset inside and outside. You understand? Like this now you can offset this one again. You know, anyhow you want it. You can offset any face. You can offset. So look like this. Like this. But another tool here again is your scale tool. So let's say you want to reduce this or you want to increase this and you don't want to start um, creating it or you don't want to start fresh. So you just highlight everything, right? And right click on it on your keyboard, then you make it group. Do you get what I just did now? So okay. So once you've done that, you have grouped this now it will be one. So then you now click that scale. The shortcut is X scale. So you just reduce it to your preferred size, or you increase it to your preferred size, right? Yeah. So this tool is very, in fact, it's one of my favorite tools in SketchUp because it makes your work very easy. You know, let's say you're using Revit now, you hardly do something like this. You understand in Revit because there are some components you import in Revit that you want to increase or even decrease, but Revit will not allow you to do that. You understand? So, but here you can do that very easy. Do it easily with this scale to reduce or increase. So that's it on that. So um, basically these are the most of the tools we have that be needing for now. And then this is arc. If you want to create something like arc, okay, this is arc. Just click it. The shortcut is A. So let's create arc. This is it. How it works. Something like review anything arc. Okay, you know. So this is how most of these things works. So if you can understand how to use these tools, you can create anything in SketchUp. You can create anything, any form, anything you want to create. You can create it in SketchUp if you know how to use all these tools. You understand? It's very simple. Just play around with all the tools. You know. Then move to I believe you know that one too. So this is move to this one here is move this. So um you click the shortcut is go to group. Uh there's no tool for group. You just highlight wherever you want to group. Like now, how I did this now, I just did like this. If you're seeing my screen, I just highlight it like this. You can see, I just highlight it like this, and then you right click on your mouse. Are you familiar with what I'm doing? So you right click on your mouse, then you see the option here, make group. You can see it here. So once you click, it will group it. You understand? To group it. Yeah, so group. So for this move to the shortcut is N. Can see, you can move it around, you can move it up, down, sideways. And if you want to copy it, right? You just click your control. As so move to is active now, right? As this is active, you just once you click control on your keyboard, it will copy. Can you see it now? It will copy. and then if you click back the control, it will it will remain on the move. You see, it has gone back to move key. So click control, it copies, you click back the control, it goes back to move to. Okay, then let's assume I want to make multiple copies of this. Once I've clicked the control now, all right, I'll go to, if you go to your keyboard, just be watching the just be watching this. This place my mouse is, can you see my mouse? Can you see my mouse? Where my mouse is? So just be watching, yeah. Be watching here, see what I'm going to do there. So once my mouse is at at a place now, as I've copied this now to this point. So I'll just click um this division sign, or this sign now, you can see it there. Then you type the number of copies you want. Let's say 5 times. I want it to copy 5 times. You just click on it, click 5, then click enter. Oh, hold on, there's a mistake. Back to move. You click on move, alright. Wait, yeah, something happened now. Okay, okay. So you click on control. I want to do it again. Then it copies. Then now, before you type that division sign, eh, you first click, like if you've gotten to the point you want to draw the object. So you click, you can see I just click. Then you type in the division sign, and then the number of copies. You click enter to just copy it. To just copy that. I see. So I'll put that. So that's on that for copy. Then what again? And this is rotate to, the shortcut is R. Shortcut is R. There's only, so let's say I want to rotate this now. Okay. So I'll just press on it. You see? To rotate. To rotate. You see? So there's another way of rotating objects. You can also click and place it on that object. You see these plus signs that you are seeing here. You can see all these plus. So if you place that move um, or your cursor on that place, you can see it will automatically turn to move and rotate. I mean, so you just rotate it. All right, you rotate it. Um, yeah. So then this is pan. Also pan. I can read it. This is pan. And these ones are not really, they are less important. They are not really important. All these ones. I hardly use them. Then this is text. If you want to add 3D text, this is text. Okay. You want to add, you start typing whatever you want to add as a text. It's a 3D mode text. So you can choose the font you want. Yeah, you can see. So after everything, if you want it to, yeah, to be 3D, you click this. This my box is already ticked, right? If I don't want it to be like kind of in 3D form, so I just untick these boxes. So untick them, it will just be normal text. So, but once it's ticked and you place it on the surface, what you want to do, so you read the text. You understand? Text. So so basically that's it on that. Then which other okay, this one, this is follow me to, this follow me to, it doesn't have shortcut actually. This follow me to, and what it does is um if you want to do anything like concrete facial, right? How that concrete facial, like when you are designing a roof now and then you want to add that kind of facial that looks, that bends, that has curvy stuff. uh Yeah. So you can use this to achieve it. You can use this following to achieve that stuff that looks that like that concrete facial. So how do you do it? How do you do it? So let's say I want to create a facial in this box now. So I'll just use line two and call and this arc two to create something. So I'll just maybe draw. Just be watching what I'm doing. Uh, just draw those stuff on the surface. Here. So show you something. Yeah. So once I've done this now, all right. So I'll just use the follow me tool. I click on it. It will just follow me. It will just go around. And see. And see what's happening. You can see what's happening. Right? So just go around. You will just be placing it around the objects. So you can see what happens. You can see it. So you can do it any way. Maybe in your hmm? It's just the this thing now, the OB tool. That's what I use. This OB now, like this OB tool. This is what I use. Or you can click letter O, your keyboard. It will appear. Then you rotate it round. So that is it. I see. That's what this. It, it's not only roof that you can use it to achieve. You can use it to achieve many things. You understand? You can use it if you are designing. Maybe you want to do interior. All those um all those stuff that used to be on the side of the door, on the like sketching. There are some classical designs that you see all those stuff on the edge of the cabinets, edge of you know, wardrobes, inside the bedrooms. You understand? Even in the living rooms. So they used to use this to design it. All those POP stuff that you used to see. So you can use this to achieve it. So that's how that's what this does. And then all these ones I don't really use them. It's only this arc I showed you. But this one so maybe I rarely use them, sha. But this is just a polygon. That's it, just a polygon. Like, if you're doing something related to polygon, you can use it. You can use it. Yeah. Yes, you can use it and create it. That's it. And what else? Then this is it's called eraser tool. Eraser. So if you want to delete this line now, can you click on the edge to delete everything will just disappear. But the form will just distort. Understand? Then this one is like it's called paint or bucket tool. You want to color this all the surface now, you want to paint it. You can see your colors here. Any color you want, you can just pick it. Then color the surface. So, but the shortcut for this paint tool is B. Shortcut is B. Shortcut is right. Yeah. So that's how this one works. Then um, if you want to on your shadow, this is shadow. On shadow, this is shadow. This is just on. You can play around with the density of the sun. Just play around with it. So that's it. Uh, Basically, that's most of the tools here. Then what else do we have here? Um, so for now, these are the major things that you need for now. For now, these are the major things you need for now. So, I want us to create something now. All right, I want us to create. Let me check. I can check my phone. Let's create something. Um, okay. So something like this. So something like this, all right. I want us to quickly do something like this. This is this is a 3 by 3 boot, a chef skin boot. So, but we are not going to render. We're just going to do the SketchUp framing, like something this, this. So, I want us to create something like this. It's very simple. Very, very simple. So, if I do it, you're going to redo it again and send it to me back. I send it to this platform. You extract the picture. Like, just just watch closely. And after I'm done, uh, right, you recreate it just the way I did it. You recreate it and send it to this platform. All right. So, yes, fine. So let's start. I'm going to open a new file. Let's start from here. I wouldn't want this to take much time. So we start by is a 3 by 3 shell skin books, alright. So we start with rectangle. So we click 3 meter by 3 meter by 3, hit enter, right. So we make it group. Just be watching closely. So here now I highlighted this and then I make it group, alright. Then I double click, press P, then type 20 on your keyboard, 20. Yeah, just like a base. Alright. Now, so that same rectangle, then place your place your cursor like this. Then type 3 meter by 50. Hit enter. I highlight again. Right click, group, double click, hit key P to give you push pull. Then click 2.5, 2.5, enter. Alright, so see, this is the back. Oh, what do you see? Okay, I should repeat the group. Okay. Um, let me do it again. So you double click your mouse, double click on your mouse. See what I did, or you highlight this. Can you see my screen? You highlight this. All right. You right click, make group. Do you get it now? Just let me know if you get it. Just let me know if you get one. Yes. Series of my response. Let me know if you get what I did, please. Okay. Right. So this is like the back wall. So now we want to create the side. We want to create the side aspect. So here I would copy this. I'll hit move, control. I copy this, right? I copy it. Then I rotate. So I rotate. You can see. So like I want to adjust it to align with this piece. So that's why I open it up. Align it. Then I copy it again. Yeah. So right now we have achieved something like this here. So this is 3 by 3. So but here is open, right? So open creates the facial. So see, this is what I did now. I copy this again, place it at the front, then I open the group, then I highlight the base. You can see what I did. Then move. So this is that facial, like this stuff. This facial, where you see this company name, is about 300 mm. So also I'm raising this up. I can type because the whole length, I think the whole length is about 2.5, 2.5 meters. So when you remove 300 from 2.5, so you have 2.2, right? So I'm going to type 2, enter. So this is like that 300 picture. So if you use the tape tool to measure now, or the dimension tool, this is dimension tool, this is dimension tool. You pick it, so you can see it's 300. Yeah, it's 300. So I want to create that thing. I hit and enter the group, double click. I click F, that's offset. Then I'll set it by by 30. Alright, I offset by 30. Then I click P, right? Then click 20 on my keyboard. 20. So I've achieved something like that here. This thing that's you can see now, I've achieved something like this. So right now to make this look nice, I need to trim the face of this wall. Just use my line tool and trace it, then um push pull and make it to align with this. the same thing on this side too. Right. So now, what next? So we need to put these holes in between the walls inside. So we're going to create one. And so click rectangle. So I'll hit 80 by 40. Just want to create that. So here for this one, I'll make it components, new components, create. So I can just rename it as pro create. And I'll just split it up. Right. Then I can move it inside those ones. So when it's inside. So I'll copy it. Now I want to copy it in 3 places. Alright, so copy it here. So I'll do the same thing on this surface. First, I'll just rotate. Okay, the size of the column, I use 80. So that 40. So I'll do the same thing.